Are you thinking about building a website, but you don't want to mess with coding, complicated settings, or confusing editors? Well, Bluehost just launched one of the easiest AI website builders I've seen, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what it can and can't do, and whether it's worth your money. If you want to follow along or see the exact builder I'm using, click the exclusive Bluehost discount link in the description below. It gives you up to 70% off hosting and a free domain name. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, meaning I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and you still get the best Bluehost discount available. Bluehost has taken its WordPress hosting and added a powerful AI layer on top. Instead of starting with a blank theme or a page, you answer a few questions and the AI builds an entire WordPress site for you automatically. It chooses your layout, your color palette, your pages, and even writes the copy for your site. This is still real WordPress, just much easier to set up. Before I start building the site, make sure you use the link below so you get an exclusive discount of up to 70% off plus a free domain name. Here's how the setup works. You choose your website type, business, blog, portfolio, store, whatever you need. Enter your business name and a short description. You can upload a logo if you'd like, but you can also skip this step and add one later, so if you don't have a logo yet, just click next. After that, Bluehost will start building your site. You'll be asked to choose your experience level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Then you'll pick your website design, and Bluehost will give you 3 unique layouts to choose from. The AI instantly builds a full site with pages like home, about, contact, and services. It even creates section layouts with images and text that match the industry you chose. Everything is customizable. You can change your fonts, colors, page structure, and images. And the AI can rewrite sections for you with one click. Once the AI builds your site, it takes you into Bluehost WonderSuite interface. This includes a simplified WordPress dashboard, drag and drop editing, a guided setup checklist, one-click image and text replacement, AI text rewrite suggestions, pre-built block patterns and sections. You still have the full power of WordPress, but it feels much easier than using a theme from scratch. The AI tools are surprisingly good. You can rewrite any text block, change tone, professional, friendly, bold, etc., generate new section copy, autofill your about page, create service descriptions, get headline variations. If you're not a writer, this saves a ton of time. If you're building an online store, Bluehost automatically sets up WooCommerce for you. That includes product pages, categories, cart plus checkout, payment methods, shipping options, inventory tools. The AI can even write product descriptions and create your homepage layout around your products. Because this is Bluehost hosting underneath, you get free SSL, free CDN, solid uptime, fast loading speeds, automatic backups, domain name included on annual plans. The AI builder doesn't slow the site down, and it's still a regular optimized WordPress site. Here's what you get with the Bluehost AI website builder: hosting plus domain, WordPress, AI site generator, AI content tools, templates, editing tools. Pricing starts as low as $2.99 per month for the starter plan, $5.99 per month for the business plan, and $13.99 per month for the eCommerce Essentials plan. Pros: extremely easy for beginners, real WordPress, not a closed builder. AI creates a full site in minutes, great for small businesses and blogs, affordable pricing with discounts, WooCommerce ready, saves hours of writing and design work. Cons: not as flexible as building a custom theme. Some templates look similar. AI text still needs light editing, works best for simple business sites, blogs, and stores, not complex custom builds. This is perfect for beginners who want a done-for-you website, small businesses, coaches, photographers, local services, bloggers, anyone who wants a fast, affordable website without learning WordPress. Not ideal for agencies or developers needing deep customization. If you want to build a clean, professional website quickly, Bluehost AI Website Builder is one of the fastest ways to get online. It's simple, beginner-friendly, affordable, and the AI tools actually help instead of getting in the way. If you want to try it out, I placed the discount link below so you can get the best price. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe for more web hosting and website builder reviews, and comment below if you have questions. I reply to every comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.